among the top stories. Governor, Chief Minister, ministers greet people on the occasion of Patriots' Day observance. BJP Manipur Pradesh organizes Manipur Mega Marathon in connection with Har Ghar Tiranga campaign. Kakching police apprehend 4 individuals along with youth's consignment of WY tablets in 2 separate incidents. India records 16,561 fresh COVID-19 cases, 49 fatalities in the past 24 hours. Hello, good evening. This is PANGAMBAM giving you the news in detail. Governor of Manipur, La Ganeshan, wished the people of Manipur on the eve of Patriots' Day. In his message, Governor stated that the day reminds of the supreme and selfless sacrifice made by the martyrs for the cause of freedom of the motherland. The historic day also jogs our memory that if we do not live and work together, we stand to lose. Governor urged to pledge to stand and fight as one against all those who challenge the freedom and integrity of the nation, irrespective of caste, creed, religion, and other difference. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren also wished the people of Manipur on the occasion of Patriots' Day to be observed tomorrow. In his message, N. Biren said the day is observed in memory of the brave patriots who laid down their lives in the Anglo-Manipuri War of 1891. Brave sons of the soil faced the gallows valiantly. The day reminds us of the supreme and selfless sacrifice made by hundreds of soldiers in defending the sovereignty of the Kingdom of Manipur. Chief Minister N. Biren urged the people to pay homage to our forefathers by remembering their patriotic values. Minister of Water Resources, Relief and Disaster Management, Awangbo Nyumai, and Minister of Textiles, Commerce and Industry and Cooperation, Nemcha Kipgen, also greeted the people of Manipur on the eve of Patriots' Day observance. In their separate messages, the two ministers urged the people of the state to uphold the true spirit of patriotism with the observance of the day. Bharatiya Janata Party Manipur Pradesh today organized a mega marathon in connection with Har Ghar Tiranga campaign as part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav celebration. Chief Minister N. Biren flagged off the marathon from Maibam Lotpaching in Bisnupur district and culminated at Kumanlampak Hockey Stadium. Around 2,000 men and women participated in the marathon. BJP Manipur Pradesh President A. Sarda, Ministers T.A. Biswajit, K. Govindas, WANGKHEMCHA, S. Ranjan, L. Susindro, T.H. Basanta, Letpao Haukip, Nemcha Kipgen, MLAs Karam Shyam, K.H. Ibomcha, and S.K.V. and office bearers and members of BJP Manipur Pradesh also attended the flagging off ceremony held at Maibam Lotpaching. Chief Minister N. Biren said celebrating the 75 years of India independence and as a part of Har Ghar Tiranga, the tricolor flag will be hoisted in each and every house of Manipur. He also urges the populace to take responsibility for building a strong India.
1949 da formal merger agreement ki makhada ekoi bharat ki part am hoi khabani aduna manipuri khudin na duma bharat ki azadi ka amrit mahotsav sahi umura ga manga surak pa du maning khata magi palan sidai koi paksana sarugari adu ekoi sungsoi soi Bharatiya Janata Party amadi sarkar na pullaga lagiba ai tarabum koi digina ai taraga manga pawba manipur gi leiba yum thong dinga Har Ghar Tiranga gi campaign makhada choi piran tibet.
Jiribam district is prepared for a massive observance of Har Ghar Tiranga campaign as part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav that will run tomorrow till August 16, Patriots' Day and Independence Day. Manipur Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board Chairman K. Sarat Kumar, who arrived in the district, was accorded a warm welcome in presence of retired Deputy Inspector of Schools O. Brajamani Maite, Social Worker T.H. Birachandra, During the event, K. Sarat Kumar said he was grateful to the Chief Minister and Biren, BJP Manipur Pradesh President A. Sarda Devi, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other party leader for selecting him as a chairman of Manipur Building and Others Construction Workers Welfare Board.
Campaign sarto mo na hindi ba ang laiba at sila ko na magta nagi arasin magsubahungi kahit ang kifaya si ay nagi or mo sila at nandisin dalaga mo po naman kamakong katinda lekay ko din talaga lady campaign naman ang una ko itang gado wala sa bani.
BJP candidate from Kundrapam Assembly constituency in the recently held general elections, Thangjam Mohendro, has been distributing national flags to different organizations and individuals in the constituency. He handed over national tricolor to President of PDC, Konthauzam Kalachan, Secretary Booth Level Committee T. Jitin, and Vice President of Paurabi Yaifa Naharol Kanglup, W. Hemanta. T.H. Mohendro also appealed to all to be part of the celebration and hoist the tricolor at every household. CRPF Center Group Langjing conducted a 5-kilometer awareness rally on Har Ghar Tiranga mission in the villages of Patsoy Part 1, Part 2, Tobungkhok Junior Primary School, Makhalekai and Bridget Higher Secondary School, Makhalekai. Around 2,000 tricolor flags were distributed to the villagers and school children. DIG Madan Kumar said the Har Ghar Tricolor Mission is a campaign under the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to encourage people to hoist the tricolor at every household and mark the 75th years of India's independence. The national tricolor flag was hoisted today at the border pillar number 92 Indo-Myanmar border as a part of the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign marking the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav and the 75 years of India's independence. Located in one of the innermost corners of the state, the said pillar comes under Assam Kulen village of Kasom Kulen subdivision. The flag was hoisted by P. Duna Duo, SDO, BDO of Kasom Kulen along with his staff in the presence of the village headman and the village authority. The journey to the border pillar was carried under the guidance of District Administration Kamjong led by DC Ramnamai Rang Peter, talking about this special effort to reach the HGT campaign to the remotest part of the state. SDO Duna said the point was one of the easternmost point of the country, and that he felt it was befitting to fly national flag at the corner of the vast country to pay respect and tribute to all those freedom fighters who laid their lives to our country and for us. The Zonal Education Office organizes Prafat Ferries Walkathon in the district headquarters today in connection to Har Ghar Tiranga under Amrit Ka Mahotsav under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav as India celebrates 75 years of independence. The procession was flagged off by the Deputy Commissioner of Ukhrul, Krishna Kumar from Ukhrul Higher Secondary School. Several schools' children along with their teachers took part in the procession holding the tricolor Indian national flags. SDO Ukhrul Maibam Suranjoy, SDO LM Blog, Lal Tajam Fimat and many other departmental officers were also present. The participants walked to DC office, which is about 2 kilometers. The DC thanked all the participants and appealed to all the citizens of Ukhrul of unfurling the India's national flag at every household, school, office buildings to commemorate India's independence. The 1st India Reserve Battalion HQ Wang Churachandpur organized bike rally today from 1st IRB headquarters to Kugadam to create awareness about the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign. Commander of the 1st IRB Lunkomang Khongsai flagged off the rally. Speaking to the media persons on the occasion, Lunkoham Haukip said that the bike rally was being organized to raise awareness about the Indian flag. He also urged the general public to display the national flag in their respective homes to mark the India's 75th Independence Day celebration. About 30 bikers from the first IRB participated in the rally. At the same time, various DLOs and SDOs of Tirachandpur have taken up the HGT campaign in their own capacity. Flags have also been distributed to public through concerned SDOs. The DLOs have taken up various initiatives. Meanwhile, as part of the Nasha Mukta Bharat campaign, students of various schools under JEO Tirachandpur have taken plates for a drug-free country. Also, DLOs who attended today's review meeting on HGT and Independence Day celebration, chaired by Deputy Commissioner Sri KISHORCHANDRA Aroju at Mini Secretariat, took Nasha Mukta pledge. Now let's have a short break. Keep watching for more updates.
RJ Production presents Kanglai Kong, a fusion of music and art. Cosplay competition on 26th August at Orewood Complex. Registration opens for prizes worth Rs 45,000. Only first 50 candidates. Let the crowd decide the winners. Registration fee Rs 500. Event managed by YAS Management. Kanglai Kong, a fusion of music and art.
Welcome back. A team of commando Kakching while conducting frisking and checking at Palel Commando checking point at Laimanai Ching today seized 9.824 kgs of WY tablets from two individuals coming in a white gypsy with no registration number. An amount of Rs 1,25,000 in cash was also recovered from their possession. The two individuals have been identified as Saikolon Waifei, age 34, son of Thangpa Waifei of Jion Wang, More Part 4, and T.H. Kharjakam Waite, age 30, son of Paunam Baite of Guit Wang, More Ward No. 9, Tengnopal District. The seized items and the arrested individuals are being handed over to Kakching Police Station for further necessary investigations. A team of Palel Police Station assisted by a team of Commando, Kakching District Unit while conducting frisking and checking at Palel Laimanai Chingjin yesterday afternoon stopped a two-wheeler and seized 835 grams of WY tablets. The two have been identified: Tongmin Thang Haukip, age 24, son of Paumang Haukip of Kongkhang Village, Chandil District, and Letkosei Kongsai, age 19, son of Holkolon Kongsai of New Sanjan Village, Chandil District. The arrested individual along with the seized items have been handed over to Kakching Police Station for further necessary action. As part of the celebration of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, hundreds of various school students today took plates against the substance abuse in Kakching District, organized by the Zonal Education Office, Kakching. The pledge to make India a drug-free was administered to the students of different schools as part of the Nasha Mukta Bharat Abhiyan. The pledge was administered to school students to make a drug-free Kakching District and schools. Zonal Education Officer and officials also took the plates. Nasha Mukta Bharat Abhiyan is a flagship campaign under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment to enhance the evidence-based approach towards substance abuse. The aim of the ceremony was to strengthen action and cooperation in achieving the goal of a sustainable world free of substance abuse. The 20th Inauguration cum Orientation Program of B.Ed 2022 to 2024 was held at R.K. Sanatombi Devi College of Education, Asa Jina Complex, Imphal. The function was attended by Vice Chancellor of Dhanmanjari University, Professor N. Raj Mohan, Professor S. Jibon Kumar, Director, College Development Council, Manipur University, T.H. Jina, Director, R.K. Sanatombi Devi College of Education, faculty members and students. Speaking on the occasion, Professor N. Raj Mohan said, in the 21st knowledge century, the important resource of society is human resource for bringing quality education. It should be incorporated with human, moral and spiritual values. Inspirational and innovation minds should be encouraged to students by teachers as a role model, telling them the stories of many pioneers in different fields. Inspiration is more important than education. He further said that the shape of the country is shaped in the classroom. If there are good teachers, the society will be developed and as a good one. Dhannamanjari University, Manipur and Students for Development Imphal East, Manipur Prant jointly organized a tree plantation drive under the mission 1 crore tree plantation across India with the motto of One Tree Save 4 Lives today at Dhannamanjari University campus. Dr. C.H. Silaramani, Principal of DM College of Arts, Dr. T.H. David, Dean of Research and Consultation, NIT Imphal, faculties of the university, students of the university and volunteers of Students for Development Imphal East Manipur Prant took part in the tree plantation drive. During the program, Professor N. Raj Mohan Singh said, planting a tree is more worth than donating a big amount of money. Human beings and environment should have a good relationship. He also mentioned about the Chipko movement and said the movement need to continue for a better earth. He said, fights between the earth and human beings, the earth will always win the fight. So every one of us, whether poor or rich, need to plant more trees for a better and healthy earth. One-day capacity building program for women traders of Japo Bazar, Chandel district, sponsored by National Commission for Women, was held yesterday at NG Mono Monsang Memorial Hall, Japo, Chandel district. The program was organized by Manipur State Commission for Women, Salam Ulka Devi, Chairperson, Manipur State Commission for Women and MSCW members, T.A. Tining Pham Monsang, Laurembam Dayabati and T. Chuan Singh Koireng, along with Mohammad Firoj Khan, Additional Deputy Commissioner Chandel, and Simon Thang Lentang, CEO, ADC Chandel, attended the program. NG Benithan, President Monsang Tribe Union, NG Maipaknam, Chairman Monsang Chip Association, NG Lawrence, President Monsang Naga Students Union, and Tribe Women leaders also attended the program, among others. Speaking on the occasion, Additional Deputy Commissioner Chandel and CEO ADC Chandel appreciated Manipur State Commission for Women for organizing such important event to enhance the capacity building of women vendors of Japo Bazar in particular. Chairperson and members of the MSCW emphasizes on financial independence as one of the most important aspects of women empowerment. Economic and financial empowerment will make women socially and politically strong, they mentioned. Meghalaya BJP Vice President Bernard Marag has been sent to a 6-day police custody. The Court of Chief Judicial Magistrate CJM West Garo Hills District in Meghalaya sent Meghalaya BJP Vice President Bernard Marag to 6-day police custody in the case related to seizure of explosives from his farmhouse near Tura. Bernard Marag was re-arrested by the Meghalaya police on Wednesday night from the Tura district jail. On July 28, substantial quantity of explosives was recovered from the infamous farmhouse of Bernard Marag, which was also allegedly used by the Meghalaya BJP leader as a brothel. The recovered items consist of 35 gelatin sticks, 100 detonators, 4 crossbows and 15 arrows. As many as 524 bogus Prime Minister Kisan beneficiaries have been detected in the state of Nagaland. This was informed by Nagaland Agriculture Production Commissioner Y.K. Kheto Sema. This 524 bogus PM Kishan beneficiaries have been detected in 10 districts and subdivisions in the state. PM Kishan scheme aims to provide farmers with Rs 6,000 per year by center as income support to meet the farming input expenses. Kiketu said that all the DAOs and SDAOs were directed to immediately initiate the recovery, adding that the progress was underway. India recorded 16,561 fresh COVID-19 cases along the 49 new fatalities due to infections in the past 24 hours. According to the data shared by the Union Health Ministry, the country 18,053 has been recovered in the last 24 hours in India. The total death toll in India stands at 5,26,928. Taking the daily positivity rate at 0.31%, the total active cases have been risen to 1,23,535. The recovery rate is recorded at 98.5% as per the data. Now the top news headlines once again. Governor, Chief Minister, Ministers greet people on the occasion of Patriots' Day observance. BJP Manipur Pradesh organizes Manipur Mega Marathon in connection with Har Ghar Tiranga campaign. Kakching police apprehend 4 individuals along with youth's consignment of WY tablets in 2 separate incidents. India records 16,561 fresh COVID-19 cases, 49 fatalities in the past 24 hours. Thank you for watching Pony TV English News. Keep watching for more updates.